Hello everyone, I am David and this is my YouTube channel DGL Auto Service. In today's video I want to show you how I clean my Kia Niro to leave it almost better than new. As you can see, it is quite dirty and there are areas that have never been washed, such as the engine compartment or others that get very dirty, such as the tires and the front. I haven't washed it in several months and it's about time. So let's get to it. As I already showed you in the video of the exterior cleaning of the Corsa, here you have the entire kit of products and items that I use to wash the exterior. I will proceed with the 2-bucket method, so the first step is to fill both buckets with water and put a bit of shampoo in one of them. This will be the one with clean water and the other will be the one with dirty water, where I will rinse the glove after rubbing it through the car. I start by cleaning the engine. Since we have control units, fuse box and parts of the hybrid system here, first I spray the entire engine compartment with water. Then it's a degreaser turn. I ran out of the good degreaser, so I had to use another one, which doesn't have as much degreasing power. We rub everything with the brush to help the degreaser clean. We let the degreaser work for a few minutes and rinse with pressurized water, being very careful not to hit the most sensitive parts directly with the jet. Finally, with a cloth, we dry all the water and all the surfaces we can, so that no watermarks remain and we leave a better finish. The result is pretty good. Before cleaning the body, it is recommendable to clean the wheels first, since it is one of the dirtiest parts of the car and thus we avoid dirt in areas that were already clean. Since the day I recorded this video was quite hot and the water dried very quickly, I proceeded to wet the entire body and wheels. Now I can use the Geon wheel cleaner. It works very well. The procedure is simple. We spray the rims and the tire with the wheel cleaner and let it work. The product reacts with metal particles, although in this case of the Kia Niro, thanks to the regeneration of the hybrid system, this reaction is almost not seen, as there is not so much dirt from the brake pads. Then I brush the wheel caps, rims and tire profile to help remove as much dirty as possible. And finally we rinse with pressure water. I have used the rest of the time of the pressurized water to wet the entire body again, so when we now use the glove with the soap, there will be better lubrication and we avoid scratching the paint. Now we move on to washing the body. We wet the glove well in the bucket with soap and rub gently from top to bottom and from the least dirty areas to the most dirty areas. As I already explained in the video of the exterior washing of the Corsa, normally what I usually do is rub a specific area until I notice that the glove is running out of water. Then I rinse the glove in the second bucket, wet it again in the bucket with soapy water and move on to scrub the next area. I clean the window sills, the roof bars, and especially the grille area, which has many gaps, with the brushes. Once the entire car is soaked, we rinse it with pressurized water. Also in the same direction as before, from top to bottom, to help the water drain better. Now it's time to dry the car. You know, I consider it the most important step if you want your car to be truly clean. By drying it by hand, you ensure that there will be no watermarks left. The key to drying it by hand is to apply as little pressure on the paint as possible, to avoid leaving marks. For this reason, it is enough to simply pass the towel over the bodywork, or in more complicated areas, pass your hand with the towel but without applying pressure.
So they say for everything a reason, for every ending a new beginning. Oh, so they say, baby, for everything a reason. And so they say, baby, for everything a reason. And those who love the fire will be together. Yeah, those who love the fire will be together. And so they say, baby, for everything a reason. And so they say, baby.
Once I have finished with the exterior, I proceed to clean and dry the thresholds and the frames of the doors and the trunk lid. To do this, I use a bit of cleaner and an old drying towel to remove also the water that has accumulated in these areas.
And so they say, for everything a reason, for every ending a new beginning. Oh, so they say.
In the area of the trunk lid, where the shock absorbers are attached to the body, there is a lot of accumulated dirt, since in Kia, at each service, they lubricate this area and the dirt stays stuck there and create this kind of sticky mess of dirt. That's why I clean it with a degreaser.
Yeah, those who love the fire. And so they say.
Finally, to finish off the finishing of the wheels, I give the tires a plastic hydrator from Lidl. The truth is that it leaves a very good finish and lasts a long time. It is totally recommended. The wheels are now pretty clean. And what you were waiting for, some before and after images. And that's all for today. I hope you liked it. If you don't want to miss future videos, subscribe to the channel. If you liked it, give it a like. And if you have any doubts, questions or suggestions, you can leave me in the comments. Thank you for watching, bye bye!